Hello, SakaFet. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be showing you how I make my Christmas fruitcake. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. Now let's get baking. The exact amounts will be listed in the description bar below. First, I'm going to cream my butter and sugar, and you want to make sure your butter is nice and soft. I'm going to put the sugar in there. And this is the soft brown sugar. I'm just gonna scrape it down. You wanna get this nice and fluffy, and you can see this. See how nice and soft that is? So we're just gonna crack our eggs. I like to take these out, but you don't have to. So next step, I'm going to add the eggs in here. Now what I'm going to do is just drop them in one at a time and mix it in. Now I'm just going to scrape it down. Make sure it's all in there. Okay, so this is the consistency you want to get. So you see, it's fluffy. Next step I'm going to do is add my extracts, a teaspoon of vanilla, my almond extract, the lemon I'm putting a half a teaspoon, and then I'm just going to mix that all in. Now I'm going to mix the dry ingredients. So I'm putting my ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg with the flour, and just make sure I'm gonna get that all nicely in there. What I'm gonna do now is fold my flour in. So I'm just gonna put a little bit at a time and just fold it in. And you know guys, if you make this, try this recipe, you might fall in love with fruitcake. I know a lot of people don't like this particular one, but my recipe, it's really good. I put the rum in the fruits, and you'll see after I just brush a little bit of that dark rum on top of it. Just make sure that's all blended in nicely. And the last thing I'm gonna do is add my fruits to it. And I have 2 cups of fruits here soaked in my dark rum. You can see, and that's going right into it. I know with the traditional black cake, we usually soak it for months, maybe a year, whatever, but a long time. This one, you don't have to. I just had it in there for 1 week. If you don't like a lot of fruits, you don't have to, you can, don't have to put 2 cups. You can use 1. I sprayed my pans with some cooking spray. And what I'm gonna do is just put these little parchment paper in the bottom. If you want to make 2 large loaves, just double the recipe. My cake is ready. I just checked it. And this rum helps it to stay so it doesn't spoil. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And there you have it guys, our delicious Christmas fruitcake. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again next time. Until then, God bless.